You don't always have to throw away those small pieces of scrap wood. They are perfect for creating simple, charming items that can be proudly displayed on tables. First off, I want to start off by sanding this piece down. I use the belt sander for this. I did this route because I want to keep that natural rustic look for this project. I wanted to have this piece to have a live edge look to it, so I penciled my sides of how I thought would look great for a live edge. Then taking my jigsaw, I angled it and then cut it roughly on the sides of where the lines were. This is also a great way if you're looking at making live edge furniture tables, if you only got straight edge pieces of wood. Going over to the miter saw, I set up the stopper that's on the side that prevents it from cutting through the wood, so it gives you just that right depth. With the miter saw set up, I start making the cut on it. I try to be close to the next cut as possible, so that the next will be made easy. By moving it from one side to the other side, I'm leaving a little bit of the edge on the sides to form the bold look inside. The next step I use is to take a hammer and hammer the inside pieces out. I try to get all those pieces out as possible. Going back to the miter saw with the depth still in place, I'm now able to slide it more freely to the side, taking more away. This will help clean up all that cutting grooves. Now going into the sanding part of this project. The cleanup, or let's say the preparation stage, is vital for a smooth finish before applying the paint. Using a plain sander, I take away the rough and sharp edges. Using a round rotary flap disc sandpaper on my cordless to get into the middle of the centerpiece, where the normal sanders don't get into, just to get that smooth part right. Sand your project down with a heavy grit like a 60 grit or 80 grit, and then move up to like a 120 or 150. This will help that there is a perfect sanding finish to your project. When painting, remember to sand between coats for ultimate finish. And there you have it, your own centerpiece. See you on the next one.